In this video I will show you how I turned $1,000 into $8,970 in 1 month of trading. I will show you some of the trades I took and an insight of my trading strategy. So guys, this month I took 5 trades and I also shared it with my trading signal group. And here you can see all statistics of my trading signal group. In total I took 5 trades, 4 Bitcoin trades and 1 Ethereum trade. I had a maximum drawdown of 1% and I had a win rate of 66% and a final performance of 8.97 R. I will also explain you later my risk management and what 1 R unit is worth. But first I will show you an example trade of Ethereum where I made 7.27 R. Here you can see the trade I took at Ethereum, and as you can see we tapped into this demand zone here multiple times and we showed some bullish interest, but we couldn't break to higher levels. But as we came back down to the 4th time into this demand zone, then I wanted to go into a long position on Ethereum. And as Ethereum again swept this loss, this liquidity right here and showed then bullish interest, then I moved into a long position and put my stop loss near this last low right here. And as you can see, we first saw this bullish interest, came then to the downside again, took this liquidity again right here. And as we then moved to the upside and broke this last high, I was really convinced that this trade was looking really good. And as you can see, we built this substructure, we made a higher low and a higher high again. And then we got this massive bullish news for the Ethereum spot ETF and we blasted through this take profit. And as you can see, we had a risk reward ratio of 7.27. And this risk reward ratio means that you are risking just 1 risk unit. For example, if we are hitting this stop loss right here, I would lose 1 R, so 1 risk unit. And in this case, if you are hitting the take profit right here at the top at this liquidity, then I would get a 7 times bigger reward than I risked per this stop loss. And this is a part of my risk management. So for example, for every trade, I'm risking 1 risk unit, so 1 R. And if the trade is hitting the TP, I try to get an R like 2, 3 or up to 7 R to get more reward than I risk per trade. And in this example, if you risked $1,000 per every trade you took with me in my signal group, then you would have risked $1,000 per stop loss. And in this case, you would have made $8,970 profit because we had this performance of 8.97%. Because as you can see, I had 2 break-even trades. So I closed the trade as we got back into the entry position. So example, in this trades, I was in a long trade, as you can see right here, and we moved to the upside. And as we came back to the entry, I moved the stop loss to the entry to didn't risk some profits anymore. And that's why they are closed break even. I had 1 losing trade and I had 2 winning trades, which made 2.7 R and 7.27 R. And of course, if you're having a smaller account and you're just risking $100 per trade per stop loss, then you would also have made $897 profit. And I also made a detailed PDF in my signal group for the risk management. And there you can see everything you need to know how to grow a small trading account and how to have an adapted risk management. So this was my first month of my signal group and I was very profitable. And the signals are all leverage trades. I also shared about 14 crypto spot buys. I also have an example here for the coin C-Pool. So in my signal group, I'm sharing the entries I take at some coins. In this example, I shared the entry right here at C-Pool. So I bought some coins right here. And if we are looking at the performance, you can see that we have an 88% increase from the down or from the entry point to the top. And to the prices right now of C-Pool, we had a price increase of 60% without leverage. So I'm also helping you to build a strong spot portfolio for the bull run. And if you also want to copy my leverage trades and my crypto spot buys, then join the second link in the description. Here you'll find the website for my signal group. Right now we have a price of $58 for 1 month. So it's a monthly subscription. And again, with the statistics of May, we made over 8.9% profit. So if you always risk it $100 per trade, you would have made $897 profit. So I think it's a really fair price for the profits I'm making. Of course, guys, it's not guaranteed that we always have a performance of this. This is a really massive performance for 1 month. But I'm really convinced on my skills. I'm a full-time day trader and I will give my best to give you the best signals. And to give something back for my community, I will give you a present for my signal group. Because if you are clicking on get access, Then you will come to this checkout page, and I created a special promo code for you guys to get 50% off the first month of my Signal group if you are typing in trading 50, and if you are then clicking on apply, then you will get 50% off the first month to test my Signal group, because I'm very grateful for my community, for you guys, and I want to give something back and help as many people as possible in the trading space. So this is an exclusive and time limited rebate, guys. So if you want to join my Signal group and test it out, then click on the second link in the description, and with this code you're saving 50% off the first month. And in general, guys, if you're joining now the community, then you will secure the monthly price forever. Even if we are increasing the prices of this group, you will also pay this monthly payment price forever if you're joining now. And again, guys, in my group, I will sharing real-time trading signals, crypto spot buys. I will also share your trading strategy insights from me. You can join my premium Telegram Signal group, where you are receiving real-time trading signals on your handy or on your laptop. You also have this online course where I show you my risk management and the mindset you will take for a profitable trader. And if you have some questions, you can chat with me on WhatsApp. So again, guys, this was my statistics of May. I made a really nice profit of 8.97R, and I will give my best to give you the best trading signals I can get for you guys. Again, if you want to join my group, click on the second link in the description and get the rebate code trading50 to get 50% off the first month of trading. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.